हासन लोकसभा से एनडीए के श्री प्रज्वल रेवन्ना.
This man, who Prime Minister Narendra Modi campaigned for just days ahead of the first phase of Lok Sabha polls, has been accused of sexually abusing several women. A huge cache of 2,976 explicit videos and photos of Revanna's alleged sexual assault were circulated in Hassan, the constituency in Karnataka from where he is contesting as the BJP-JDS candidate. But he flew to Germany just a day after polling was over in Hassan before the sex tapes caused a furore. Embroiled in one of the biggest political scandals in Karnataka, who is Prajwal Revanna and what could be the political implications of the sex tape controversy? Prajwal is former PM and JDS President H.D. Devegowda's grandson. A 2014 mechanical engineer graduate from Bangalore Institute of Technology, he plunged into politics just before the 2014 Lok Sabha elections. Appointed as JDS State General Secretary in November 2019, he was the only JDS leader to win in 2019 Lok Sabha polls. The sitting MP of Hassan was eyeing a second term, but pendrives purportedly containing videos of women being sexually abused by Prajwal were circulated among voters during campaign in Hassan. Most of the videos were allegedly recorded in Prajwal's house and office by Prajwal on his mobile phone and then transferred to his laptop. H.D. Revanna, Prajwal's father, eldest son of Devegowda, minister in the cabinet led by his younger brother H.D. Kumaraswamy, who headed the Congress-JDS alliance government in 2018 and 19, is a co-accused in the scandal. On April 28th, a former cook of Prajwal and his father filed an FIR accusing the duo of sexual abuse. The FIR read,
"After 4 months of joining, Revanna kept calling me to his room. There were 6 women workers in the house and everyone said that they were scared when Prajwal Revanna came home. The male workers in the house also alerted the women workers to be careful. When Revanna's wife wasn't there, he used to call the women to the storeroom and touch them while giving them fruits. He used to remove sari pins and used to sexually assault women."
A charge Revanna Sr. has denied.
ಕಾನೂನು ರೀತಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಎದುರಿಸಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಏನಿದೆ ಕಾನೂನು ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವುದೋ 4 ವರ್ಷ 5 ವರ್ಷದ್ದು ತಗೊಂಬಂದು ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕೋದವ್ರು ಯಾವ ಥರ ನಾನು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ.
Initially, the Gowdas and BJP claimed the videos were doctored and circulated to defame them before polls. But H.D. Kumaraswamy, Prajwal's uncle, was quick to distance himself.
Not only as an uncle, as a citizen of this country, a common man of this country, we have to move for that. This is a shameful issue. I am not protecting any person.
Chief Minister Siddaramaiah ordered an SIT to probe the complaint against him on April 27th, after receiving a letter from the chairperson of the State Women's Commission. A case has been registered under Section 354A, Section 354D, Section 506 and Section 509 of the Indian Penal Code. Still confident that the truth will prevail, Prajwal has asked for a 7-day time period to appear before the SIT starting May 1, 2024. A lookout circular has been issued to arrest him. The ruling Congress in the state and BJP were quick to shift blame.
कर्नाटका में एक बहुत बड़ी बात निकली है कि उनके साथ जो मंच पे खड़े थे, जिनके लिए मोदी जी ने वोट मांगा, उन्होंने हजारों महिलाओं के साथ दुष्कर्म किया, हजारों महिलाओं के साथ। मैं पूछना चाहती हूं मोदी जी क्या कहते हैं इसके बारे में, क्या कहते हैं हमारे प्रधानमंत्री इसके बारे में, हमारे गृह मंत्री क्या कहते हैं इसके बारे में?
वहां सरकार किसकी है? सरकार कांग्रेस पार्टी की है। फेक वीडियो आपके ध्यान में ही होंगे क्योंकि टाइम पर रिलीज किए गए हैं। और अब तक कार्यवाही कांग्रेस पार्टी ने क्यों नहीं की? कार्यवाही हमने नहीं करनी है। ये लॉ एंड ऑर्डर का इश्यू स्टेट का इश्यू है।
The opposition has taken the opportunity to corner BJP that is eyeing a third term at the center.
अब कहते हैं वोट दो प्रज्वला को, मैं मजबूत होऊंगा। मैं दूसरे कोई प्रधानमंत्री होते ना तो नैतिक आधार पर कहते मैं इसका कैंपेन नहीं करूंगा, इसके लिए वोट नहीं मांगूंगा। अगर ये जीत भी गया तो मैं इससे अपने आप को डिसोसिएट कर लूंगा। इतनी हिम्मत नहीं है, बड़े कमजोर और मजबूर प्रधानमंत्री।
नरेंद्र मोदी, आप भूल गए कि जिस शख्स के लिए आपने वोट पूछ रहे हैं उसने 2000 ऐसे गंदे वीडियो बनाए, 2000 वीडियो बनाए उसने। गरीब बेचारी औरत परेशान है, मजलूम है, तकलीफ में है, तो इस कमीने ने, इस जालिम ने उनका इस्तेसाल किया।
सारी एजेंसीज हैं हाथ में, सीबीआई, कस्टम्स डिपार्टमेंट, इमिग्रेशन डिपार्टमेंट, ईडी, सारा का सारा हाथ में है। प्रधानमंत्री को मालूम था 1 सेकंड में इसको अरेस्ट करा सकते हैं, मगर नहीं किया, भागने दिया। प्रधानमंत्री ने हिंदुस्तान की हर महिला का अपमान किया है।
जो अपराध इन्होंने कर्नाटका के साथ किया है, इसकी सजा उन्हें 26 अप्रैल को देनी है।
But will Prajwal pay for his crimes too?